There it is, the alternator. I think it crapped out. I think my battery toasted it. So I'm going to replace this here alternator today. Disconnected my battery. We're good there. What you're going to need is 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, and then where is it at? I don't know if you can see it. But right down in there is another 14 millimeter. You'll need a 10 millimeter for this. You gotta take this off so you can wiggle this, so you can wiggle it out of there. So here we go. That pipe. There it is. Now they gotta get it out of there. Yep, that belt slides right off. And it comes right out. Yeah, the video I watched didn't show how easy it was getting back in, so we're gonna see. So you got the alternator pulley. What is that, the water pump? I don't know. And then right down there is the tensioner pulley. So if you jack the car up, you really don't have a lot of leverage to get that tensioner pulley loose enough to get the belt on, but underneath. And you need a 14 millimeter box end wrench because you don't have enough space right there for a socket and a for a socket wrench. So you got to get a box and a wrench on that. From underneath, it was easy. It was even easier because Mike was on top, and thankfully he had a 14mm box and wrench that I didn't have. And with me on the bottom and him on top, we were able to line the belt up. So, oh yeah, on that tensioner pulley, you want to do it clockwise, or if you're underneath the car, you want to pull the wrench towards the rear end of the car, and that'll move that tensioner pulley. Put the belt on, tighten her all down, put your battery back on, put this plate back on, and boom, runs like a champ. Hope this helps, everybody. Thanks for watching.